National 5 Maths, Practice Paper D, Paper 2. In question 4, we've got to use simultaneous equations to find the entrance fee for an adult and for a child. So in part A, we've got to set up one equation. We're told there's 14 adults and 4 children, and that costs £55. So it's 14A plus 4C, so that's 14 adults and 4 children, is 55. So that's question 4A. In part B, you've got 13 adults and 6 children, and that comes to £54.50. So using simultaneous equations, we can solve to find out what A and C are. I'm going to multiply by 3 here, and I'm going to multiply by 2. So my new equations are going to be 42A plus 12C equals 165. And times in the second one by 2 is going to give me 26A plus 12C equals 109. If I subtract the two equations, the C's cancel out. So I get 16A equals 56, and dividing both sides by 16, A equals 56 over 16, which is 3.50 or £3.50 because we're talking about money. So we have 14 adults, so 14A plus 4C equals 55. Now we know the cost of an adult is £3.50, so it's 14 times £3.50 plus 4C equals 55. That is going to be 49 plus 4C equals 55. Now if we subtract 49 from both sides, we get 4C is equal to 6. Dividing by 4, C is equal to 1.5, and that is £1.50. Now you must communicate your answer properly. So an adult fee is £3.50, and a child's fee is £1.50. You can't just leave it as A equals and C equals. Okay, now in question number 5, we're given the equation y equals x plus a all squared plus b. Write down the equation of the axis of symmetry. Your axis of symmetry is this line which comes right through, cuts through the turning point. Now, vertical lines have the equation of x equals, and whatever the x value is that they go through -3 there. So everything on this line has -3 something as its coordinate. So it's x equals -3 is the line of symmetry. You must include the x equals. If you don't put that in, that's not an equation of a line. The equation of the parabola. Well, we know it's in this form here. So it's -3, -4. So therefore, we can say it is y equals x. Now, because it's moved left 3, it has to be a +3 in the bracket. And it's gone from the origin, it's gone down 4, because you can see there it's -4. So it is subtract 4. So that's your answer to part B. Then you have to find the coordinates of C. Now, we already know one part of the coordinate for C. It's cutting the y-axis, so it's the y-intercept. So that means the x value is 0, because it's in line with the y-axis. So it's going to be 0 something. So all we need to do is substitute in x equals 0 into the equation that we've just worked out here. So x equals 0. So we can say y equals 0 plus 3 all squared minus 4. Well, 0 plus 3 is just 3, so it's going to be 3 squared minus 4, which is 9 minus 4, which is 5. So our coordinate is going to be 0, 5, because that's the y value that we've worked out there.